son recently? You're a lost soul. You need help. You're out of control, son. At least when you were with Rhea, one of you had a say. And it sure wasn't you. Someone needs to put you in your place.
Is that gonna be you? I already beat you, and you went and disappeared for weeks.
Wow, you had to go there, huh? I mean, you've always been a jackass. But now that you're hanging out with this güera, La Liv, you're even a bigger jackass.
Excuse me. No one talks about the women's world champion like that, especially not a deadbeat. Excuse me, Dominik, please go ahead and let your deadbeat down.
Come on, son. Hit me right here. I dare you. Because I would love to slap that stupid mustache off your face.
I'd like to see your old ass try.